Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. Now remember guys, the last episode ended with Shabalala going to visit Umangwanyana to tell Umangwanyana to put her son in line. So this episode actually starts off with that scene. So Shabalala then looks at Umangwanyana and she says, "Utindodakazi yami yenzeni?" Umangwanyana then says, "Abafana balungile, abafana njengoVusi, run when girls chase them." Shabalala then says, "Oh." Umangwanyana then says, "Makukhona otshala imbewu of ubudlelwane yindodakazi yakho, hayi uVusi." Shabalala then says, "Wemangwanyana, ufuna ngikhole ukuthi wena ukhulise umfana olungile ngoba nakho ufuna ukuba yonke lento." Umangwanyana then says, "Wemashabalala, ungumuntu wokugcina ngokukhuluma ngabafana abancane ukuthi bakhuliswa kanjani." Shabalala then says, "Yeyi wena." Umangwanyana then says, "Nhlanhla leyo owakho engekho ejele nje." Shabalala then says, "I'd rather have a thief than whatever you are raising. Le ngane le ucabanga ukuthi izokhula ibe yini? You will see the kind of man that this boy will grow up into." Umangwanyana then says, "Yini inkinga yakho Shabalala?" Shabalala then says, "Ugijimisana ney'keti encane kangaka." And then the mother of Mangwanyana comes in and she's like, yay, hayibo. Because at this point, both Mangwanyana and Shabalala are raising their voices. Shabalala then says, "Uzwile wena." Uma then says, hayibo, owani lo msindo he? Yazi Shabalala, angikholwa ukuthi wena, a Christian woman like you, would leave her house lizokwenza umsindo la, lizoqala impi ngempela. Shabalala then says, "Bekumele ngithule mina while uMangwanyana disrespected me ebiza indodakazi yami ngoNostrata." Uma then says, "Ngivumelana nawe impela lapho. Kodwa wena, you should have thought about that before you left your house to come and cause commotion here. Ukhumbula ukuthi thina sinosana la oluncane futhi lulele." Shabalala then says, "Hayi ngiyakuzwa, ngiyaxolisa futhi." Kodwa ke she looks at uMangwanyana. "What I said when I came here still stand. Ngicela wenza umsebenzi wakho. Mina owami wenzile futhi senguqedile. Angizuphinde ngibuye la ekhaya, ngibuye nelento." And then she pushes them out of the way, guys, and she leaves kanjalo. Umangwanyana looks at her mother. She's like, hayibo, imihlola. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uSifiso usendumbeni yakhe uguqe phansi ekhukhweni, guys. All we see is the lady walking into the ndumba, guys, wearing heels. She takes off her shoes and then she goes over to where uSifiso is kneeling, and she kneels also. And then we see ukuthi at Zethu's face. uZethu looks at uSifiso and she's like, "Ngiyaxolisa." uSifiso then says, "Lalela." He puts his hand on her cheek. Asikho isidingo salokho Mangwane. He takes his other hand, he's brushing her arm, you guys. uZethu then says, "Ngiyakuthanda Sifiso." Next thing, guys, they are kissing. While they're kissing, we just hear someone laughing, and it's uMangwanyana's voice. uMangwanyana then says, "Hey, ngiyalingwa yazi." uZethu and uSifiso are obviously shocked at this point. Mangwanyana goes on to say, "Isibindi sakho Zethu." uSifiso then says, "Mangwanyana, ay guys, Mangwanyana afaka impama, she slaps uZethu." And then uZethu aphaphame, guys, meaning that this was all a dream. When uZethu phaphamas, guys, she is, she's grasping for air. You can see ukuthi whatever dream she had, it was a hectic dream. That time unomfundo usekamereni lakhe, usekamereni likaZethu, and she's preparing for school. So she can see the way uZethu's waking up, guys. I was so disappointed. I was like, it was too good to be true. Like, why are they dragging the storyline? Mangwanyana must find out, guys. Unomfundo then says, "Hayibo, uphupha ngani engaka?" uZethu then says, "Ish, angphuphi lutho." uZethu, guys, she is still even holding her face, like she really felt like that dream was real. Unomfundo then says, "Awuphuphi lutho." "Alrighty." uZethu then says, "Ngirighty sis." Unomfundo then says, "Okay." Hayi ke, ngisaya esikolweni ke, and then uzethu then says, uzohamba kahle, unomfundo then says, ngizokubona. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke, we see uMaNkwanyana, she is pacing the floor in the lounge, guys. You can see ukuthi uMaNkwanyana, she is mad. Then uma wakhe is sitting on the couch busy drinking itiye. uMaNkwanyana then says, uzoke ngizwe ke. Uma then says, ndodakazi, cha, uyacaca nokulala lokhu, it didn't solve anything. Akunamoya owehlile la kuwena. uMaNkwanyana then says, ma, ngikutshelile ukuthi awudingakali kule ngqoqo. Ulokhuzana uma then says, ayingeke. Akwenzeki lokho. This is when you need me the most. Hula ngidingakala khona. As they speaking like that, the door opens, uVusi. uMaNkwanyana then says, yeah wena. uVusi umangela ukuthi hayibo, and then he then says, yini? Wenze njani manje? uMaNkwanyana then says, don't play dumb with me. Yinkulu indaba yakho la esigodini. Uma looks at uMaNkwanyana, she's like, mntanami, kodwa bengicelile uhlise umoya. Umnikeze chance ukuthi uMaNkwanyana then says, uma kaNomfundo ufike la looking at uVusi. Yay! Isibindi salo amfazi, you can see ukuthi uVusi uthukile, you guys. uMaNkwanyana goes on to say, she's accusing you of being a bad influence on her daughter. Yazi if uma ebengekho Vusi, cishe angibambe ngamawashingi lo amama. Uma then says, hayi ke sibonge. Khona lokho ndodana ukuthi ngempela ngibe khona. Kwangenzeki konke lokho. uVusi then says, kodwa ma, angijoli namuntu mina. Uma then says, hayi khuleka ndodana, ngiyazi ukuthi awujoli wena. Okwamanje kodwa it hasn't happened. Kodwa ngiyazi lesinye isikhathi okuyofika isikhathi la kuyokwenzeka khona. Esicelayo thina yikuthi uhlukane naleya ntombazane yakwaHlongwane. You can see ukuthi uVusi ufuna uphendula. uMaNkwanyana comes in and she's like, cha, sengikhuze kaningi ngalento. Hlehla uhlehle ngempela. Kahlehle dlalela ukude unamantombazana Vusi. Umjolo wani loyo? Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, we all know what teenagers want, you tell them stay away, the more they want to be with one another. Anyway, guys, we see uSifiso use police station, uMike use police station. I don't know if he wants uSifiso to certify amaphepha akhe or something like that, but he's there for something like that. So uSifiso is all smiles, you guys. uMike then says, yabona lesi smile engisibona kuwena, ungitshela ukuthi khona okuzuzile. Ontage, all I see is a man heading for danger. uSifiso ahleka. uSifiso then says, hayibo, what's so dangerous about having dinner with both of my women? Ikuphi ingozi lapho? Remember uMaNkwanyana yesterday, guys, she invited uZethu to have dinner with them tonight. uMike then says, yabona ke, abantu besifazane bayakwazi ukuzibona izinto ezinje. Nawe uyakwazi lo. Uzothini mengabe uMaNkwanyana useyabona ukuthi kukhona ukushaya amanzi phakathi kwakho noZethu? uSifiso then says, oh. uMike then says, you haven't even had the chance to sit uMaNkwanyana down umchazele ngalesi simo. uSifiso then says, oh, because I'm a weakling, right? While eating with them, am I going to fall madly in love with uMaHlongwane? And then jump over uMaNkwanyana ngithi Zethu cela ungishade. uMike then says, yazi Khathide, lezi zinto lezi zinemigomo yakhona. This is a mess waiting to happen. Ngiyakutshela. uSifiso then says, maybe it's a sign. Asibheke kanjalo. Abaphansi bayagida. Phela lo ngimshelile angithi, I've asked uMaHlongwane out ngahluleka. Ngabiza inkunzi ke uBramike. Wena uqobo lwakho nathi hamba uyongikhulumela wahluleka. Ubani namhlanje omeme uMaNgwane ekhaya ukuthi azodla? uMike then says uMaNkwanyana. uSifiso then says hallelujah. Ayiphikisi. uMaNkwanyana should fetch wife number 2 herself. uMike then says, yabana lapha phambi kwami njengamanje is a man walking straight into a raging storm and calling it sunlight. uSifiso then says, bambala, he gives uMike amaphepha akhe. He's like, bawungibona ke futhi from namhlanje uthi bhuti thana bhuti. uMike then says, ay kulungile Khathide, izobonana. And then uKhathide then says, ay izobonana impela. And in the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke we see uNomfundo and Unga, they are coming from Eston. Phela uMashabalala, guys, the way she is so mad at the fact that uzwe ngonokuzana, one of the ladies Eston, ukuthi hayibo ngibone uNomfundo nalomfana wakwaKhubeka bebambana izandla. So uMashabalala akafuni. Next she told Unga ukuthi, you know what, Nga uzoyiphelezela lengane meyiye esikolweni, wherever she goes uzoyiphelezela. So uNomfundo is coming from the shop and Unga is walking with her. uNomfundo, guys, ubhurekile. She says yazi umsangano nje yonke lento angiyona ingane mina, ngiyakwazi uziyela esikolweni. Unga then says umsangano, yeyi wena akuwona umsangano lento, ucabanga ukuthi ngiyathanda yini ukwenza lento? uNomfundo then says mhlambe. Unga then says mhlambe lalela la mntakama, if you and uVusi nithandana ngempela, yiyona yodwa indlela okumele ngiyisebenzise ukuze ngikuvikele kuyena. uNomfundo then says ngaranje uMakhumalo usibone kanye nje sibambana izandla. Friends hold hands all the time, but because ke ungumfana and mina I'm a girl, niyenza indaba enkulu lento. Unga then says mntama, usukhohliwe yini ukuthi ngike ngaba yingane njengawe? Uyabo ubudlelwano obukhona engibaziyo mina between umfana nentombazana, uthando. Bokungenjalo ke, then there's something wrong with this boy. Ngabe uzama ukungitshela nomfana ukuthi ugay? uNomfundo is like, cha ngaranje, kodwa u-2025 manje asiphili ngendlela zenu zabudala. Why can't we just be friends? Unga gets a message on his phone. Unga then says, yeyi wena Kondendlini wena ngidinga ukubuyela emsebenzini, and then he walks off. He's like, Kondendlini Nomfundo. uNomfundo checks the coast, she looks around, and then uVusi, guys, magically aqhamuke behind the tree. Unokuzana ke uNomfundo runs to a man bahagane. They are so happy to see one another, guys. uVusi then says, Thandwa Sam, why ithathe isikhathi esingaka? uNomfundo then says, sawubona sithandwa sami. Guys, as they busy talking there, Unga ababone. Unga turns around. He's like, hey, wena you rascal, abambu uVusi ngamawashini. Kunini ngithi hlukana nosisi wami wena? uNomfundo is khuzaring there, guys. Unga then says, ufuna ngikhiphe igazi? uVusi is so frightened, guys. He runs away. Unga's like, hey, wena ngizokhipha igazi wena if I ever see you around isisi wami. Dirty. And then uVusi, as he's running, guys, awe Unga ayomlanda, guys. Ulokuzana uNomfundo is like, garaje. Unga amyeke. Unga looks at uNomfundo is like, awuzwanga ukuthi ngitheni wena? Ithe hamba uyendlini. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, as I said, there's no way they're going to be able to separate these kids from one another. Anyway, next scene we just see or hear laughs and giggles, guys. Who's there to agreed, and she decided to go to the dinner that uMaNkwanyane invited her to. Listen, guys, after that dream, I didn't think uZethu was gonna go there. But anyway, who's there to etafuleni? uSifiso and uMaNkwanyane. So we hear uMaNkwanyane then says, Baba kodwa uzongidedela ukuthi ngiyixoxe le ndaba. uSifiso then says, hayi bo sithandwa sami. uMaNkwanyane goes on to say, noma uzolokhu ungena emlonyeni. uSifiso then says, Thandwa sami, I'm interjecting because this story is like a song to me now. Mawikhuluma, mele ngikulekelele. Sibabili phela kulento. They laughing, guys. You can see uZethu, the way she's so uncomfortable. uMaNkwanyane then says, hayi ke Zethu, my groceries fell out of the plastic nje kanjalo. Yehla ngomgaqo igrosa. You can even see uNokuzana, uMaNkwanyane and uSifiso, the way they're so lovey-dovey. They're even holding one another's hands. Kudliwa, guys. They're eating with the one hand. They're holding each other's hand with the other. With the other hand. uMaNkwanyane goes on to say, Bengithinkla nangu bhuti. Upashama apula ami. uSifiso then says, Muka, I had your butternut right here on my shoulder. I walked up the hill towards her and said, Wozadali, wozangithathe ngiyokubeka le. And then uMaNkwanyane then says, hayi ke, sahambi indlela yonke. It was apparent that I had taken a liking to him. Kodwa ke, kangingeke ngimbonise ukuthi sengimthandile. Waqala inamba yami, and I told him phela ukuthi I would never ngimnikeze inamba yami. uSifisa hleke. uMaNkwanyana then says, nginikeza umuntu engingamazi inamba yami. uSifisa then looks at uZethu. He's like, cabanga nje. Wena ubungancisha inamba yakho. uZethu coughs, you guys. You can see, but you know what? She's uncomfortable with this whole thing. Angeke alunge sithenjini lo the way aneskhwele ngakhona, and this is the wife. uMaNkwanyana then says, hayibo, I had to make you sweat for it. uSifisa then says, hayi suka. uZethu then says, bese kwenzakalani acting interested there. uMaNkwanyana then says, bese fika kumina njalo ekseni ezongixoxela ngaye nomndeni wakhe, then ke ngamupha ithuba lokuthi angazi. You can see guys, uZethu, she is low key jealous. uSifisa then says, hayi ke lapho bese ngiqedile. I was busy feeding her, ngimfunza ubanana, ngimfunza inyama, yabona nje bokumnandi esengowami. uMaNkwanyana then says, yazi ngike ngicabange nje ngokuxoxela umpendule le ndaba. uZethu then says, hayi nginesiqiniseko sokuthi uzojabula ukuyizwa le ndaba. Who wouldn't want to hear such a lovely story? Ithandani ezidalelweni. uSifisa then says, how? Futhi ke, we'll tell the story to all of our children. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke, we see uNophuzana, uZenzo, and uMashabalala. They are sitting in a lounge, guys. They are watching TV. uMashabalala is saying to her husband, nathi ngiyamfanisa lo yazi. Next thing, there's a knock emnyango, angene unga. Unga then says, kwahlongwane ekhaya. He comes in, guys, uphethe impuphu, uphethe iplastiki. He then says, baba no ma. uMashabalala then says, nga. Like to say, and then kwenzakalani. Unga then says, nakhu-ke ngithenge igrosanyana, ngizokuthatha ngikubeke ekhapetheni kungekudala. uZenzo then says, kahleni bo, uthenge ngeyiphi imali manje lokhu? I'm not eating stolen food again. uMashabalala then says, ungasiphindi nga. Unga then says, cha, mani no baba, yehlisana umoya. Ngikhulumile noShwabi saxoxisana kamnandi, so unginikeze umsebenzi wami back. Yebo, sengiyasebenza futhi. uZenzo then says, kodwa namhlanje akulona usuku lohola mos. Unga then says, cha, yukuthi baba, uBra Mike uye wangicela ngizomenzela umsebenzi omncane. I painted his kitchen wall. Ngithe mengibamba udonga mengiqeda wanginikeza okuncane nje. So I thought I should get a few things for the house. Ngiyobonisa uma nobaba nginilekelele nami njengensizwa. uZenzo then says, kwaze kwakuhleke. Yabona ke indoda yenza kanje, ayihlali nje igoqa izandla. A man hustled to make a living. Unga then says, hayi ngiyabonga baba. Oh, bengikhohliwe nkosi yami. He takes out money out of his pocket. He then says, nayi ma. He gives his mother the money. uMashabalala's like, hayibo, yini lokhu manje nga? Unga then says, yile owangibhadalela kuPra Joe ma. uMashabalala then says, mntanami, beningabhekile ukuthi ungayikhokha le mali. Unga then says, hawu ma, ungikhokhele nje ma wami, ngiyabonga. Everyone is smiling. Obviously, abazali are happy. uZenzo then says, let's hope this time around you really learned your lesson from your mistakes. Unga then says, hi baba, ngifundile kakhulu. Unga takes the grocer, he goes and put it in the cupboard. You can see uMashabalala and uZenzo are so happy. uMashabalala then says, ingathi uyakhulu nga. And then the scene just ends like that. Last scene, get back to the dinner that uMaNkwanyane hosted for, or the dinner that she had for uZethu with her husband. uMaNkwanyane then says, hi Zethu, siyabonga, thank you so much for being here. Mina athi ngiyobheka ingane, baba bengisacela ukuthi umbeke uZethu. uZethu ke, she thanks uMaNkwanyane, compliments the food. As uMaNkwanyane goes into the bedroom, guys, to go and check on the child, uZethu then says, cha, I will leave alone. Hayibo, uSifiso's like, hayibo, and then what's going on? uZethu then says, yes, Sifiso, before you came into my life was fine. Mina, I had boundaries that I don't date married men. Wafika wena, wamosha yonke into. What's worse is that I feel like I know what I want and I want you. But the way you sat there on that table while we were having dinner, when no mankwanyana ni sinegintengeko, I'm just like, hi boy. And then Zethu, she's like, no, you should have said something. You should have winked at me. Like, ubonisa ukuthi unami. I'm just like, hi boy Zethu. Unokuzana uSifiso, obviously, he is pleased by this. He's like, yes, Zethu, this is exactly where I want you. We can move somewhere from here. Umangwanyane, umamkhulu, ubthandile. And you know what? From here, izinto are just gonna go smoothly. I get, guys, that's where the episode ends. Let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.